Ever wondered if you can literally use nano crypto on Gemini? Let's clear up this unique confusion. The idea of using nano banana in Gemini might pop up, but here's the real deal. Nano is a cryptocurrency, a digital form of money focused on fast, feeless transactions. Gemini, on the other hand, is a popular cryptocurrency exchange. They are from completely different realms within the crypto and digital space. Nano, the cryptocurrency itself, operates on its own dedicated blockchain. The Nano protocol you can hold, send, and receive Nano using specialized Nano wallets or through applications built specifically for the Nano ecosystem. Think of it like how you'd use physical cash. It has its own unique way of being handled. Gemini is a platform designed to buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies. They support a curated list of digital assets that meet their security and regulatory standards as of now. And this is crucial. Nano cryptocurrency is not directly listed or supported for trading on the Gemini exchange. So, you can't directly use Nano Banana within Gemini in the way you might buy or sell other listed cryptos. There's no direct integration. You won't find Nano listed on Gemini's trading pairs. They exist as independent entities in the digital world. If you want to engage with Nano cryptocurrency, you'll need to use platforms and wallets explicitly designed for it. And if you're interested in trading or holding other cryptocurrencies that are supported, Gemini remains a solid choice for those specific assets. They serve different purposes in your crypto journey. In essence, Nano Banana in Gemini isn't about a direct functional interaction. It's about understanding that Nano is the crypto, and Gemini is the exchange. Two distinct players in the broader digital economy. Keep them separate in your mind when managing your assets.